beautiful day outside. Birds chirping, grass is green, and there's little chipmunks. Freeze! Oh my gosh, are you gonna pay for that door? What do you want? I took my test last week, if that's what you're here for. I don't care if it was a week ago. We're gonna get you tested now. Jeffrey, give that kid a mask, would you? Sure thing, boss. Okay, put on the mask. Put on the mask. Put on the mask. I don't want a face mask. Okay, I'm going to test you now. This will not hurt a bit. It's going to hurt a lot, but deal with it. Alright, let's see your test results. And oh my gosh, he's positive! He's positive! He coughed on me! He coughed on me! Oh crap. Sorry, Jeffrey. We gotta tranquilize both of you. Lewis, get the darts ready. Just get the tranquilizers ready. Wait. Oh, come on, man. Shoot a dart at me. I dare you. Alright. I think our job here is done. Let's go home. What did you knock over? Uh-oh. What is it? What is it?
It's a COVID bottle.
What?
Some of it got on me.
Oh my gosh, do I have to do everything around here? Great. I don't have any more darts, and my mustache fell off. Oh well. Nothing you can do about it.